greater engagement, meaning the registration numbers are higher in this season. So where maybe in the past we might have only gotten 100 registrations and then typically 30 or 40 would attend an event, we're seeing registrations 200 and greater depending on the topic and who you're targeting. And we're also then seeing greater than 50% attendee rate. Many times it's up to 70 and 80% attendee rate. Mm-hmm. We're also, through some of the tools, able to monitor how engaged are they in a virtual world. Are they tuning in for the first 5 minutes and then they drop? Are they staying 30 minutes and drop? What is that staying power? And one recent webinar that I did, I was trying to measure using the tool, how engaged are the listeners? Are they paying attention? Have they dropped off after the introduction? And I found that we had a total of 72 attendees for this webinar out of 109. So great staying power for people attending, registering and attending. And then from the time we started the webinar, where we started with 59, we ended with 56. So it peaked at 70 attendees throughout that about 40 minutes, but we almost maintained the same amount from start to finish, even though we had a peak in the middle. And I found that just a great statistic to say, because people can budget time for learning or online engagement, and they maybe aren't distracted by someone stopping by their cube or desk or an ad hoc meeting popping up on their schedule, they can budget time and they're very attentive to the content that they're choosing to watch.